Well, hello and welcome to Vlogmas. Just so jolly. Your secret is safe with me. Have you bought craft supplies and never made the craft? Do you have a box full of stuff that you've never finished? This is a safe place to talk about all of the craft supplies that we've bought, never finished the craft, all the decorations that we've bought, never hung them up. I'm an ultimate procrastinator, but I don't look at it as procrastination. I look at it as lack of an executive function in my brain because I have really, really bad ADHD. So if you can relate to buying all the things and not making any of it and not finishing anything from start to finish, then just keep watching. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I thought it would be so fun to show you around what a person with ADHD does for holiday decorating, their Christmas home tour, okay? I feel very proud of myself that I at least got this far, okay? I know I have the front facing camera on so you can't see it, but it says, oh holy night, and then he is the reason. Now, I bought these specifically to make Christmas signs, but they have just remained as Christmas signs. I don't have them in a frame. I don't have them on my wall. It is December 2nd at this point. Christmas is over in my book. So there we go. A project half done. Exhibit A. Do you see all this ribbon? I had such high hopes for this ribbon. And now I don't know where to put it. I don't even know what to do with it. So I just have this ribbon. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Right now, if you couldn't tell, like a rogue doorbell. Maybe it's one of my music boxes. I don't know. Anyway, ribbon. I have 2 spools of this. Don't even know what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so I literally have a box of just like greenery. Okay? I had a plan for the greenery. I was going to paint this elf sign with white chalk paint because I saw a tutorial on it. And then I was going to glue greenery to the back and then use my Cricut to make something that says joy. And I even have something over in my cupboard that already says it's a joy or something, and it's really cute, but it's December 2nd. I don't think that this guy's gonna come to life this year. So I bought these. I thought these would be so cute to make cute little Christmas signs. I mean, this one's still in the package. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Here, this is just an unfinished project. Totally unfinished. I mean, it's halfway out of its package. It's gonna make a really cute Christmas sign. Ow. Gosh. I just hit myself in the face. Okay, this one is really depressing. Okay, my dear friend Crystal. I'm totally gonna link her channel because she has the best channel. You have to go check her out. I think it was 2 years ago. She had this craft and she showed how she took like this red and white baker's twine and she hot glued them and then like wrapped these trees, and then she had them on like this little coffee table or like a chest or something on a little tray, and it was so cute. She may have even put like a wood thing on top. I don't remember, like a little wood bead. I don't remember. Anyway, I wanted to do that for years, and I went to the craft store a couple times. I could not find anything like this. Well, I happened to be at Hobby Lobby, and so I bought these 2. Okay, I mean, this one's already getting mangled. Okay, I've had these for over a month. What are they still doing naked? No ribbon, no yarn. I just have 2 cardboard trees. Like, it's December 2nd. Christmas is basically over. I remember I was so excited when the Dollar Tree had these, and I have a few for my little kids, and I let them decorate their own tree. And so I just wanted to make sure that everybody had one. It's a good thing that I bought 3 because we had 2 green and 1 white. So I thought, well, I'm gonna put these in cute little like pails and do like a burlap collar thing and a bow, and I'm gonna put them on my front steps. So if anybody's on the hunt and you can't find any of these, just send me a message and I'll send them on over to you, because it's, oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. I totally forgot I bought this. It's probably too late to take it back. I probably don't even have the receipt. I had this great idea that I would buy this tapestry, this beautiful tapestry from the Familial Dolore, also known as the Family Dollar, because I thought this is a lot of fabric for $5, and I was gonna turn it into cute little snowflake pillows. It's not even functioning as a table runner, and that would be the easiest thing to do with it. And it's just sitting there. Oh, look, here's the second spool. Okay, haven't done a dang thing with this. I remember being so excited to see these, because I see people on the internet like hot glue these together and then make like a cute little pillow. And I was gonna make one of these to have like a little miniature lumbar pillow by my Merry Christmas pillow. Haven't done anything with them. They're just still sitting here. And then I guess I could go tie this to one of my lamp posts. Oh my gosh. And then I just have this bucket. It's bad. It's bad. I got everybody a mini tree to make their own. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, as you can see, and I haven't even hung my Christmas lights. We have no Christmas lights out. Okay, my husband, I think, would rather do many other things other than hang Christmas lights, but he's super busy. He is in graduate school, so he is off the hook, and he works full time. But I mean, I could like bust a ladder out and hang my Christmas decorations or my Christmas lights. So this is box number 2 of just supplies and things that I've had for years that ended up in the Christmas box. So, we're already 10 minutes in. I'll do the home tour as a separate video. So stay tuned for that. And then I was also going to finish making some pillows. So I have these pillow covers, and I thought, hey, wouldn't it be great if I just use this pillow cover and then put something Christmassy on the back? I mean, I have a Cricut, I have iron-on, I have a few pillow covers that I could do this with, and they're just sitting here blank. I also have, I can't find them, but I have a few other crafts for my kids. I thought they were going to be in one of these boxes, so apparently I still have oh, you know, I know where they are. I'm going to go get them. Well, shoot, this is embarrassing. In hunting for these cute little, there's 2 crafts. I can't even find, I don't even know where they are. But in thinking that I knew where they are, look what I found. Oh, you know, just some candlesticks that light up that I love to have. Just some flickering LED lights that I was going to put in my lanterns. Oh, what's this? You know, just a cute little, so I have a few, I think I have 4 of these pillar lights. I should really get these out. Oh, this is what I was going to put on the elf. I guess maybe it's not too late. Maybe it's not too late. Maybe I'll make a goal for myself and try to. But this is just like some more pillar candles. And then, when you know it, more little tiny candles to put in my little Christmas village that you'll see in the Christmas home tour. Oh, and batteries to replace the batteries in my train set that's not working. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is what happens. I get really big ideas. I have all these ideas, and then it's too hard to organize it all. It's too hard to get it from like start to finish. There's too many steps, and then I get overwhelmed and I stop. This is the story of my life. Do not ever give me anything that is important or has a deadline, because I will fail. I have a stack of t-shirts and hats that I have screen printed and handmade. They are in bags. They are finished. But do you know one of the hardest tasks for me? It is addressing an envelope. Putting somebody's address on a package or an envelope and putting it in the dang mailbox is literally one of the hardest things for me to do. I can do the project, but writing out somebody's address, looking it up, going to the effort to find somebody's address and getting it packed and sent off, no, like I can't. My brain will short circuit and surely explode. So, okay, I guess what else needs to be said? I'm an expert procrastinator, but okay, there is something that keeps going off. I think there must be like a battery or something. I hope you guys are having such a great December so far. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. Bye!